Hi, I'm Jen from Love Chic Living, a UK home and interiors blog, and I'm here today at Magnet Kitchens looking at the wonderful showcase feature drawer, which I've styled up with some of my own pieces from my home. So, let me just show you some of the things that I've chosen. I've gone for a kind of really bright, contemporary, geometric look with some texture added in. These books, which I love the colours of, are on display in my kitchen, and they're full of inspirational quotes, and I just love looking at these with my children in the mornings, you know, if it's a dull grey day, just as a little pick-me-up. And so to tie in with those colours, I've picked out some of my favourite geometric napkins, which again have that really bright, sunny shades. And then also, I like anything kind of new and on trend. And the copper metallic look is still really big. And so I've got this copper and stainless steel bowl, which is a great one for any little knickknacks in the kitchen. And then also, I'm a big fan of paperweights. I've gone for coasters because the kitchen's the hub of the family home. It's a great way to meet together and get together with your friends and your family and socialise, have a drink of wine or a cup of tea. And then finally, I've got this piece which is really special to us. This one belonged to my gran. It's a cake slice that we have out on display, and it's something that I like to show to my children to help them remember the family. So the drawer is a great way to inject your personality into the kitchen and to showcase some of those items that are really sentimental to you.